I'm David Bacon. I'm a researcher at the University of Portsmouth. I'm interested in seeing the universe with radio waves. The universe is full of galaxies, hundreds of billions of them, each made of hundreds of billions of stars. And those galaxies shine out light which travels across the universe for thousands of billions of miles, until we can see the light on Earth. But galaxies don't just send out waves of visible light that we can see. They also give out different types of light that our eyes can't see, like infrared light, microwaves, and radio waves. So galaxies are also giving out these radio waves, which speed across the universe and can be detected by our radio telescopes. Radio telescopes often look like big dishes, but we now have a new generation radio telescope that looks quite different. It's called LOFAR, and it's made of thousands of antennae. Each looks like a tent pole with 4 wires joined to it, and those wires pick up the radio signals. Then thousands of these antennae are placed all over Western Europe. The Southeast Physics Network helped to build the UK part of LOFAR, which is nearly 200 antennae in a field near Winchester. That's linked up to the heart of the telescope in the Netherlands by ultra-fast broadband internet. And there, a supercomputer combines all the information from across Europe to make a picture of the distant galaxies. So LOFAR will see the radio waves from millions of galaxies. We're going to look at how these galaxies are dotted around on our picture of the sky. We expect to see a pattern where galaxies tend to cluster together in knots and lines, a giant web with galaxies as the dewdrops on the web. The exact pattern we see tells us about how gravity has pulled these galaxies around during the history of the universe. But what we're doing with this generation of telescopes is just the beginning. Scientists across the world are planning a much larger radio telescope for the next decade, the Square Kilometre Array. This will have millions of antennae and thousands of dishes in Australia and South Africa. With it, we'll be able to explore the cosmic web of galaxies in astonishing detail and so gain a better picture of the story of our universe.